Oh my goodness. Welcome to Fantastic's channel. Fantastic Favour is a highly favored channel. Hi favors, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you all are doing well. So it's a no school day in my house and everyone is at home. I went to bed very late this morning. I wouldn't say last night because I literally went to bed around to 4 a.m. this morning, and then I woke up around to 10, and this is me trying to get myself out of the bed. I had already said my prayers and I'm just thinking about the stuff I have to do for the day, although not really much because the kids are all at home. They are not going to school, but they will be going to school the next morning. So yeah, I'm just enjoying this moment because once they start school, it's going to be me waking up every morning by 6 a.m. Even though I'm not the one going to school, I still have to wake up very early in the morning to get the kids ready for school. Anyways, the weather is looking so beautiful, so sunny, colorful, greenish and all of that good stuff, and I'm loving it. Here is my cup of green tea which my daughter made for me to brighten up the day. I love green tea. I don't know why. Seriously speaking, I don't know why, but I love green tea. I drink it in the morning, I drink it during the day, I drink it at night. Sometimes I drink it once, sometimes twice, sometimes I don't think I've taken it up to 3 times a day, but I'm sure of twice a day. Joshua.
Yes, ma.
Keep it in the kitchen and come back later. Help me with my tablet.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
After editing my videos, I'm not always in the rush to export and upload it. So what I do is, after editing the video, I make sure everything is in place, like do my voiceover if it's a video that I want to do a voiceover on, or I do a write-up, which is basically what you can see on the screen. I just put a text on the screen if I don't want to say nothing, right? Put my music, make sure that everything is in place, both my intro and all of that, and then I just let it stay. Later on, I'll come back to the video, replay it again from beginning to the end to make sure that everything is okay, no mistakes, before I export it and upload it. Then when I upload it, I still put it in private and publish it when I'm ready, right? So by the time you're watching this video, I'm sure that video is already up on my channel. So please kindly go and watch it and see how we spent our Easter Sunday. Recently, I was just saying to myself, wait, hold up. Am I getting old? Am I really getting old? I mean, don't get me wrong, everybody or most people wants to get old, right? But then not this early. I don't want to get old very fast now. I'm not rushing life, okay? This old age of a thing should just let me enjoy my baby girl life in peace. I don't want to get old so quick, you know? Do you understand me? But it's a blessing though. It's a blessing and there's nothing we can do about it. If you live to the point that you have gray hairs all over your body or all over your head, you should thank God for that. You should be grateful. You should be thankful, because a lot of people were not opportuned to, get to this stage of life. But here we are. So I'm super grateful to God. But then again, I still want to enjoy my baby girl life. I don't know if you understand me. Anyways, that's by the way. So at this time, we've already had our breakfast. I didn't record that part. Hubby made breakfast for us and we all ate. This is the pack of pistachio my lord bought in my previous vlog. If you've seen that video, you will remember that I showed this in my previous vlog. So I wasn't able to taste it because I keep forgetting, or when I remember, I've already eaten something and I don't want to eat any other thing. So today I decided to open it up and taste it to see how it tastes. Honestly, it's not what I was thinking. I thought it was savory something, but it was sweet. The creamy whitish stuff inside is sweet, while the brownish stuff is like chin chin. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's crunchy or crispy and then sweet at the same time. It's not bad, but I don't really like it. Anyways, later on in the day, I decided to go down to our garage to do some exercise, because you all know I'm a stay-at-home mom, and as a stay-at-home mom, I don't go out as much, so I always find a way to work out my body, to exercise my body basically. And sometimes I do stay upstairs, put on a workout video and walk along, or I move around while watching a show. Like I'll be marching in place, doing some things like standing crunches, and some days I just come down here and do some jump rope and lift dumbbells just as much as I can, nothing too vigorous, and I always do 1000 jump rope. So on this day I did 1000 jump rope, and then I lifted dumbbells for some time and went back upstairs. I always find a way to make myself happy, have fun while I'm doing the exercise, so it doesn't look so serious, and before you know it, I'm done. Like, it's not easy. I wanted to say it's that easy, but it's not easy, honestly. But when you are having fun while doing it, like singing or dancing, before you know it, the time is far spent or far gone. So as I was not able to do this in the morning, I decided to do it in the evening. I can do my workouts anytime during the day except midnight. I can do it in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening. Just like today, I'm doing it in the evening because that's when the spirit said I should go and then I moved. So yes, it's very important to move my body and get those bones working actively. Whether you want to lose weight or not, you need to move your body.
Woke up early morning light, feeling fresh, ready for the fight. Life's a hustle, it's alright. Gonna chase dreams all damn night. Night just streets, they pulse and vibe. And every corner tells they scribe. Through the crowd we weave and strive. In every moment we're alive. Rise up, fantastic, favor shine. Through the struggle, through the grind. In our rhythm, dreams align. Make the world our very shrine. Skeptic faces down our quest. But we know we're truly blessed. In the game we stand our test. With our passion we invest. Through the highs and through the lows, in our veins Niger flows. With each step the courage grows. Feel the fire when it blows. Rise up, fantastic, favor shine. Through the struggle, through the grind. In our rhythm, dreams align. Make the world our very shrine. Rise up, fantastic, favor shine. Through the struggle, through the grind. In our rhythm, dreams align. Make the world our very shrine.
That was fun, right? Anyways, if you want to see the slow version of the song I danced to, just go to my short section and watch the video. I think it's sweeter with the slow version of it than this fast forwarded version of it. I had to fast forward this in this video just to avoid write or righted copy. Okay, you guys know how these things work, so I don't want to get a right copy. That was why I fast forwarded it. Meanwhile, as I was done about to go back upstairs, I saw my kids at the gate. Like, as soon as I opened the gate about to come outside, I saw them standing there. Like, they even scared me. I got really scared. My heart skipped. I was like, please, no, you guys should not do this again. It's not funny. It's not funny at all. So they came downstairs to grab a pack of water, and you guys can see what they are doing. This person will carry from here to there. Another person will carry from there to another place, and then the other person will do the same thing. So I'm back upstairs now. I took my shower and freshened up and went to bed. But before I sleep, I'll have to set my alarm because school is starting tomorrow morning and alarm will be ringing every corner. Even my neighbor's alarm wake me up sometimes and I don't like it. I don't find it funny, and I believe mine will also be waking them up as well. I don't know, but I've heard their alarm ring many times, and sometimes it rings before mine, and that means I'll have to wake up before my own alarm rings. It's not funny though, but such is life. Anyways, I had to set my alarm and went to bed. This is not all that I did during the day, but you guys know these videos are edited, and also I show you guys what I want to show you. Okay, so if you want to see more of me, more about me and my family, then you will have to come back for more. So see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you and bye.